This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by Bob Corey Team. Welcome to 7619 Painted Desert, a spacious 4-bedroom, 2-bath home nestled on a quiet street in Cypress, Texas. The inviting floor plan features a downstairs primary suite with a garden tub, separate shower, and generous closet space. Enjoy a large eat-in kitchen complete with a microwave and refrigerator, perfect for everyday living and entertaining. Upstairs, you'll find a versatile game room, 3 additional bedrooms, and a full bath. Laminate hardwood flooring adds warmth throughout. Located near top-rated sci-fi schools, shopping, area pools, and playgrounds, this home offers both comfort and convenience in a growing community. For more information, review the details below or contact Bob Corey Team at 281-394-4608.